Okay guys, this is a video showing you how to do your working on your word work through our Words Their Way booklet. We are working on sorts number 1 all the way up to sort 20 in this package. All right, so what we are focusing on in these word sorts are a lot of our vowel sounds, specifically listening and hearing the difference between short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. A short vowel sound is usually when the vowel makes the sound that we often practice when we're going over our ABC sounds, like A goes A. The long vowel sound for A is when it says its name. It says A. Okay, so for example, the short vowel sound of A on this one, okay, is like how we hear the letter A in cat. K, at. We hear the short A. And you'll see this little curved sign, looks like a smiley face, above the vowel to show if it is a short or a long vowel sound. A can also make a different sound. It can say its name, like in cake, ache, where it says its name. A says A, k, ache. Okay, so you'll have it there. But sometimes we also will have some oddballs. Okay, so as you go through these, oddballs are where we have the letter A, or we have a picture here that doesn't follow any of these rules. Okay, so here we have a skate, skate. Oh, it's saying its name. So when you are sorting it, you would put skate under the long vowel A sound here, like Kate, Kate, cake, cake, skate. Okay? So let's go over these pictures so you know what sound they are. Skate, bag, plate, this is a jack, crab, rain, grass, rake, frame, hat, foot, man, map, bat, grape, game, snake. So there's a few in here that don't follow any of the rules. They sound a little bit different than what an A usually sounds like. Okay? Okay? Once you have some practice with pictures, then what you need to do is go and read the words and do the same type of thing, where you are sorting between your short A sound, like in cat, k, at, and your long A sound, like in cake, k, ache. So it's the difference between the A sound and the A sound. Then there are the oddballs, the ones that don't make any sense. So for example, here are our words glass, sounds like cat, whale. Oh, the A is saying its name. Bat, gate, make, fast, hand, what. That one sounds a little funny. That's one of those oddballs where we have the letter A. It doesn't say a, we don't say what. It doesn't say A, it doesn't say wait. It says what. It almost sounds like a U sound, so it's an oddball there. Mad, snap, last, page, came, grass, face, base, rake, ask, same, made, and sack. So you will do your sorting again putting the words this time in the proper columns where they belong. Short A, long A, or are they oddballs? Okay? You will be doing that all the way through for all of the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. So I, short, is the p, ig, I, I, I. We often say I for igloo, p, ig. Long I, okay, is like in kite, okay? And then there's some oddballs where the I doesn't say the word at all, or the sound at all. So here we have ish, I, lid, slide, hive, lips, 9. This, I think, is your chin, dive, fire. This is a hill. 5, twin, ribbon, bride, swim, and net. Or dipper. Okay? So, sorting through there. I like in pig, I. I like in kite, where it says its name, I, and the oddball. Okay? Okay, and again, sorting through the I, like in pig, I, or the I, like in kite, where it says I, or the oddball. Now, one thing to look at, often, if there is an E at the end of a word, it will make the vowel say its name. It forces the vowel to take that long sound, and the E stays silent. So, for example, this word hike, hike, it will go under the long I. Okay? So again, you're going to read through these words, sort them where they belong. So you will do that for all of the vowels, A, E, I, O, O like in sock, or O as in bone, U as in up, or U as in, I don't know what this is, tube. Tube. So the use is that ooh sound. Okay? You will do exactly the same thing all the way up to sort 20. Now, some of these get a little bit tricky where we are sorting short O's, long O's, like in stalk, froze, coal, show. So you can see there's lots of different ways where the O becomes a long O sound. That happens with all the vowels. You'll be doing that all the way through, all the way. Oh, this is still long O's, like globe, boat. So we're looking for just the O. The OA goes O as well, like in boat. And OW often goes O, not all the time, crow. And O with 2 consonants following it. Also, at times, we'll say that O sound, bold. And then there's some oddballs, as always. Okay, and you're going to do that all the way through, all the way up to lesson number 20. And that one is just a complete review with the A, O, E, and E sound. Okay, so working a lot on hearing the differences between our vowel sounds, short vowels, long vowels, and then combinations when they're combined with other letters and how that changes the vowel sound. Okay guys, take care.